In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush pricing plans. First, open your browser and go to the Semrush website. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several tabs. Click on the one labeled Pricing. This is where Semrush lays out all of its main plans side by side, so you can compare what you get with each one. You'll typically see 3 core plans: Pro, Guru, and Business. Let's walk through each of these so you can quickly understand which one fits your needs. The Pro plan is the entry-level option at around $113.95 per month. This plan is best suited for freelancers, bloggers, and beginners who are managing a smaller online presence. With Pro, you can manage up to 5 projects. A project usually means a website you want to track and optimize. You can also track about 500 keywords, which means Semrush will monitor how those specific search terms are ranking over time. On top of that, you can run site audits for up to roughly 100,000 pages. That's useful for finding technical issues like broken links or slow pages. Pro also unlocks the core Semrush tools: keyword research to find phrases your audience is searching for, competitor analysis to see what others in your niche are doing, backlink tracking to monitor who's linking to you, and basic pay-per-click data. If you're running a single site or just getting serious about SEO, this plan is usually enough to get started. Next is the Guru plan at about $249.95 per month. This is often the most popular plan and is ideal for growing businesses and small agencies. Guru increases your limits so you can manage up to 15 projects and track around 1,500 keywords. You get everything that's included in the Pro plan, plus some powerful extras. One of the biggest additions is historical data, which lets you look back in time at rankings and traffic trends, making it much easier to understand seasonality and long-term performance. You also get access to the Content Marketing Toolkit, which helps with SEO writing, content ideas, and topic research. Another key feature is multi-location and multi-device tracking, so you can see how your site performs across different regions and devices. If content and strategy are a big part of your work, Guru is often the sweet spot. Finally, there's the Business plan at around $499.95 per month. This plan is designed for agencies, large websites, and e-commerce operations that need scale. Business lets you manage up to 40 projects and track roughly 5,000 keywords. It includes everything from the Guru plan plus additional capabilities. You get API access, which is great if you want to automate reporting or integrate Semrush data into your own systems. The plan also adds advanced reporting options and higher limits across most tools, so you can handle more data, more sites, and more clients without hitting caps. This is the plan you'd choose if you need robust, scalable SEO and marketing operations with automation built in. Once you're on the pricing page, take a moment to compare your current needs with these limits: how many sites you manage, how many keywords you realistically need to track, and whether you need advanced features like historical data or API access. That should guide you toward the plan that makes the most sense for you right now.